Thank you. So, we're at Busch Gardens today, and it's Verbolten Forbidden Turn opening day for members only. I'm very excited. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We're here early. We are here before the park opens. Never. That's a first. That's a first for me. And we gotta go. So this is the first time I've ever been to one of these like ride opening things type vibe. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously it's not a new ride, but it's a whole re-theme, everything. So I'm very excited, but I don't know how packed it's gonna be, but I'm looking forward to it. Guest services. I just want to get a camera checked. Good to go? How are you doing? I'm good.
Okay, take a picture?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Nice smile.
Thank you very much. Let's go. So I made it into the park. The park is not open. I did not realize that I was this early. Oh, that's kind of sick. So Verbolten's not open yet. It opens at 11, but I was thinking about going to get a ride on Pantheon real quick, but I think people are gonna start stacking the lineup, so I'm gonna go to Verbolten. Probably get a call. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, Verbolten, what we came for. I just saw it running, so let's go. Very excited. Current situation. Current wait, 999 minutes. $10:25. Opens at 11. So noon now. So an hour and a half. Unbelievable. It's 11:30. The line's getting longer. We're still waiting. It might not open today, and I might have to leave. So this is not good. 12:18 now. This line has gotten way longer than I thought it would ever get. Damn, it's like all the way across the bridge. We're never getting on. Oh my God. They said 25 more minutes. We're never getting on. It's not getting any better. Nope. Not ideal. Verbolten line. I came down to the end to see. This is almost all the way across the bridge. It's ridiculous. After 3.5 hours, we're officially being let into the queue. Gosh, dude, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get on those. And I don't even know if we can film. That's the main reason I'm here. Whoa, first look at the queue. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this animatronic better be good. Don't turn right. This isn't that different. This isn't that crazy, but me and Fro Hexel. orange train. We finally made it in the station. We're finally about to ride Verbolten Forbidden Turn. Oh my goodness, this has been a crazy day. Let's see if we're going.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you, and enjoy your ride on Verbolten.
Let's go. Front row POV on Verbolten Forbidden Turn. Actually, I'll press it. Front row POV on Verbolten Forbidden Turn. I'm so excited. Here we go.
Let's go, dude.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. We're going the wrong way. No fog though. Dang. That's fine. Here we go! Wow! Oh, jeez! Oh! Oh, shoot! Uh-oh. Oh, whoa, I didn't know this was here. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Whoa! The old car. Oh, I see the big tree now.
Don't turn right, don't turn right, don't turn right.
Oh, dude, there she is.
Don't turn right, don't turn right.
Is she gonna jump scare us?
5, I'm saying, after 55 stops.
Oh! Oh my god! Bro, that scared the crap out of me. No way.
Now go on, back to the garage.
Here we go! Oh my gosh. Oh, good.
Oh my goodness.
One ride. Here we go. Woo! Rough right there, okay. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, Verbolten Forbidden Turn! This is completely new when you get off the ride, straight into the merch shop. Pictures are not working. After 4 hours, we have finally done Verbolten Forbidden Turn at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. It was amazing. It was worth it. I can't lie. The theming is incredible now. I don't know if it's smoother too, but it might be. It's pretty good. It's a good time. You need to do it. It is. There's one part, my favorite part. I don't know if y'all agree, but when you see it, incredible. Holy cow! Come here and ride this, please. Great time. There she is. It was worth it. It was worth it. One ride at Busch Gardens, that was good. I'm not gonna lie, that was fun. Yeah, we're out of here. I've been in that line all damn day. There's so many people here now. What the heck is going on, bro? Huh, I'm glad I'm leaving. One ride, folks. Whew, highly recommend. All right, we just got out of the park. Oh my gosh. One ride, Verbolten Forbidden Turn, great time. Very worth coming here. I waited way too long for that thing. But you know what? It was a good time. Anyways, guys, we're done. We're going. Busch Gardens, highly recommend. Peace.